How do I choose a life coach? I'm Ellen of The Creative Giraffe, here to answer your question. Choosing a life coach is a really important decision, and a lot like choosing a therapist or a primary care physician, it's going to be about how you work with the person. So, choosing a life coach, you're going to want to interview people. You're going to want to schedule any sort of free sample session or consultation with, I would say, three people that you're interested in working with, because that's going to give you a sense of what's possible working with each of them, and it's also going to give you a sense of what the chemistry is like between you and the coaches that you're talking to. Every coach has a little bit of a different style, and that's good. You know, we can't all be the same. It's not really a cookie cutter thing, and that's going to help you understand whose style works best with you, as well as the type of work you're wanting to do. If you are an executive looking to get ahead in the boardroom, then you're going to want to interview executive coaches who have experience working with those types of people. If you have some relationship challenges that you're looking to overcome, you're going to want to find somebody who's probably worked and coached around relationship and heart issues before. And that's all stuff that should be represented on people's websites. And then on all of our websites, there is generally a way to take us up for a free consultation or sample session. And I really encourage you to do so, because until you really connect with us in person or on the phone or on Skype, however I meet with my clients via the phone or on Skype, other people might meet in person, that'll give you a sense of what's possible and the change that can happen in your life. And that's going to be the most important thing when you're deciding how to use a life coach.